Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to set auto send message in WhatsApp using the built-in WhatsApp business feature. This is perfect for replying automatically when you're busy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Business on your phone and tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen, which opens the main menu for business settings. Step 2. From the menu, select Business Tools to access automated messaging features like away messages and quick replies. Step 3. Tap on Away Message and turn on the Send Away Message toggle to activate automatic replies. Enabling this option allows WhatsApp to send messages on your behalf. Step 4. Tap on the message field to edit the away message and type the text you want people to receive when you are unavailable. Then tap OK to save it. Step 5. Tap on Schedule and choose when the away message should be sent by selecting Always Send, Custom Schedule, or outside of business hours. Scheduling helps control exactly when auto replies are active. Step 6. If you select a custom schedule, set the specific days and times when you want the away message to be active. Step 7. Tap on Recipients and choose who should receive the away message, such as everyone not in the address book, everyone except selected contacts, or only selected contacts. Step 8. After completing all settings, tap on Save at the top to enable auto-send messages on WhatsApp and apply all your changes. Once saved, the feature will work automatically in the background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and useful tech tutorials.